Hey YouTube, today is a beautiful day just to be out. Nice and cool. It's around 17 degrees right now in July. It's unheard of here. It's gorgeous anyway. So I figured today give you guys a video on how to do your laundry as basic as it gets when you're living off grid. So I mean, really there's not much to it. I'm just gonna get into it. So you got your clothing that you want to wash, dirty laundry, right? And you get a bucket. This one I think is it's not a 5 gallon, I think it's a 10 gallon or a 15. It's pretty large, larger than most. But a 5 gallon bucket will work as well. But anyway, so pretty much what you do is you grab your clothes, you throw them in the bucket. I personally use a little bit of Dawn dish soap. You can use caustic soda as well, but I personally haven't tried that method, but I've heard it works. So if you want to give that route a go, you can too. Or you can spend $3 at your Dollarama and buy a bottle of Dawn dish soap. So anyway, so pretty much take your soap, put it in the bucket with some water, of course. This one I tend to fill them about 3/4 of the way full, just to leave some room for the clothing. The clothing will soak in a lot of that moisture, and then you just get to pretty much kneading. You start to knead your clothing. So you're just gonna you're gonna grab a hunk of clothing and you're gonna press it down into the bucket. So I'll just show you guys what that looks like from above. You can go in circular motions and all that, but I'll just show you guys what I'm talking about. So when I say kneading your clothing, you got your clothes in here, whatever. I got some shirts, everything. I just sort of throw it all in here. I'm not worried about colors. And you pretty much just press it all down in the bucket like so. And lift it up once in a while and press down. And that's pretty much what I mean by kneading. Alright, so you've seen that part. So we've kneaded it. Now when you go to remove your clothing from the bucket, so I've washed this thoroughly. Alright, let's grab a shirt here. It's a shirt. You're just going to wring it out like you would with a wet cloth or something like that. And you can just pull it through your hands like so. I'll show you. Not too worried about catching all the water. But as you wring it, you want to pull through the other way. So that's how you can do longer pieces of clothing, like pants, stuff like that. And there you go. Now you have a clean shirt. It smells good. It smells like Dawn, just fine. You shouldn't be worried about using Dawn dish detergent. It's pretty much just concentrated laundry detergent. Laundry detergent is just a soap, that's been watered down, so you end up needing more of it with a scent to it. That's all that is. Now you might want to experiment if you're using different types of soap. I trust Dawn original scent, not to stain or color my clothing. So you might want to keep that in consideration if you're going to go and buy some off-name soap. You might want to test a small amount of clothing first to make sure it's not going to color your clothing with the dyes. Anyway, that's pretty much it today. It was just a quick video. Just wanted to show you how this is done, and I hope you guys enjoyed. This is about as basic as it gets. So yeah, if you like this kind of content, don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe if you feel like it. And yeah, that's all. Thanks for watching.